I am Chanel Matthews and this is Unfiltered. A healthy lifestyle can be defined in many ways depending on individual values and habits.
Eating healthy.
Right now, I take down the tummy here, so
always ensure that you have someone to talk to.
You will end up with hypertension.
Praying, meditating.
try to not have people in your heart.
You just stick to nature.
What's your definition of a healthy lifestyle?
Alright, for me a healthy lifestyle is not just physical like exercises and eating healthy food, but mentally you have to take care of yourself, which includes praying, meditating, taking a break and all of those things, which is the spiritual aspect of it as well.
My definition of a healthy lifestyle is eating healthy, ensure that you do some form of exercise, and always ensure that you have someone to talk to, because mental health is key at this point in time.
I feel like one, you can't live without God. Getting up and pray is the one, and ensuring that God guides you through the day. Exercise. Because right now I take down the tummy here, so definitely drink more water. And I just feel like just be more happy. Try to not have people in your heart and them look away there. So I feel like that's my definition of a healthy lifestyle. So yeah.
A healthy lifestyle is when somebody is socially, physically, psychologically, and financially stable.
Keeping your body healthy and mind, so you can prepare a balanced diet.
Reduce your sugar intake, your carbohydrate intake, the intake of sodium, MSG. The salt that we consume, it should also be sea salt other than the other salt. So we have to be careful in what we intake, because a healthy life determine where we'll be in the future.
You have to have good sleep, like 7 to 9 hours sleep every day, or as much as possible. You don't really have to go crazy. Just stick to the proteins. Make sure you're having your vegetables, and make sure you're not eating too much sugar and stuff like that.
Healthy food simple meaning just stick to nature, fruits, vegetable, natural water. Right there, set there.